Trigonometry, Lesson 12, Allied Angles of Theta. In this lesson, I am going to explain why sine of 90 degrees plus theta equal to cos theta, cos of 90 degrees plus theta equal to minus sine theta, and tan of 90 degrees plus theta equal to minus cot theta. And for the reciprocals of these trigonometric ratios. Now, consider a circle of radius r units whose center is the origin of the coordinate axis. Now, consider a sector OAP of this circle where the central angle is theta degrees. The central angle of the sector is theta. Let the coordinates of point P are x comma y. P. Point P is xy. Since the coordinates of point P are x and y, draw a perpendicular PM here. This is M. The PM is equal to the y coordinate. The distance from the origin to the foot of the perpendicular is equal to the x coordinate. Now, since the point P is in quadrant Q1, quadrant 1, the coordinates are positive. X is positive and y is also positive. We know that first quadrant is in between x positive and y positive. Therefore, coordinates are also positive. Now, on observation, it is clear that OA is along with the x-axis. The ray OA is along with x-axis, which makes 0 degrees with x-axis. And OP is another ray which makes theta degrees at the center. Therefore, at theta, this is the ray at theta angle, and this is the ray at 0 degree angle. Here is a sector which is identically equal to this circle. Which is identically equal to this sector. Place this on the sector and observe. The sticks attached here represents the rays. This stick is at theta angle and this stick is at 0 degrees angle. Now, rotate the sector through an angle 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees rotation. This is 90 degrees rotation. 90 degrees rotation means the ray at 0 degrees becomes the ray at 90 degrees. Since this is equal to 90, the angle between y-axis and x-axis equal to 90 degrees. The central angle of the sector is theta. The total angle is 90 plus theta. This total angle is 90 plus theta. Now, what happens when this sector is rotated through 90 degrees? When this is rotated through 90 degrees, due to rotation of the sector, the OP ray enters into second quadrant as OR. This is OR ray. The point P becomes R here. The point P becomes R. Now, this ray, this OR ray making an angle 90 plus theta with the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, let us write the trigonometrical ratios for this 90 plus theta degrees ray. What are the coordinates of R? This is the critical point here we have to observe. When this sector is rotated here, the vertical distance, this is y, becomes horizontal here. Therefore, this is also y. This PM is y, and here let this is n, this is n, Rn is y. The horizontal distance from the point 2 onto the y-axis is taken as x coordinate. This is the point. This is horizontal distance up to x coordinate, y-axis. Therefore, this can be taken as x coordinate. But in Q2, quadrant 2, the x coordinate is negative. This is negative axis direction. Therefore, the x coordinate is negative. Therefore, we have to consider this y as minus y. Therefore, the coordinates of R are minus y, comma. Here, the OM becomes ON. OM becomes ON. In the second quadrant, ON is positive. Therefore, this is y coordinate is positive, x is positive. Therefore, the coordinates of R coordinates are minus y, comma x. Let us write the trigonometrical ratios for these two triangles. Already, the trigonometrical ratios for this point are written. Sin theta, y coordinate by r, that equal to y by r. Cos theta, x coordinate by r, that equal to x by r. Tan theta, y coordinate by x coordinate, that equal to y by x, and so on. Now let us write for this 90 plus theta angle. For 90 plus theta angle, the x coordinate is minus y and the y coordinate is x. For sine, the definition for sine is y coordinate by r. Therefore, y coordinate x by r. But x by r equal to cos theta. X by r equal to cos theta. Therefore, this can be written as cos theta. That is, sine of 90 plus theta degrees equal to cos theta. Similarly, cos 90 degrees plus theta. Cos 90 degrees plus theta is x coordinate by r. X coordinate here is minus y. Therefore, minus y by r. This is equal to minus of y by r. But y by r is equal to sin theta. Therefore, this is minus, this minus, y by r equal to sin theta. Therefore, this is sin theta degrees. Similarly, tan 90 degrees plus theta. Tan 90 degrees plus theta is y coordinate by x coordinate. But here the y coordinate is x. Therefore, x by y coordinate by x coordinate minus y. This is equal to minus x by y. But x by y is cot theta. X by y is cot theta. Cot theta equal to x by y. Sec theta equal to r by x. Cosec theta equal to r by y. Therefore, minus x by y. X by y is cot theta. Therefore, minus cot theta. Similarly, cot 90 degrees plus theta equal to cot 90 degrees plus theta equal to x coordinate by y coordinate. X coordinate is minus y by x. That is minus of y by x. But y by x is tan theta. Therefore minus tan theta. Similarly, sec 90 plus theta equal to r by x coordinate minus y, that equal to minus r by y, that equal to r by y equal to r by y equal to cosec theta. Therefore minus cosec theta. Cosec 90 degrees plus theta equal to r by y coordinate x, that equal to r by x equal to sec theta. Therefore this is equal to sec theta. Thus first 90 degrees plus theta angle, sin 90 plus theta equal to cos theta, cos 90 plus theta equal to minus sin theta, tan 90 plus theta equal to minus cot theta, cot 90 plus theta equal to minus tan theta, sec 90 plus theta minus cosec theta, cosec 90 plus theta sec theta. Thus the ratios of the values of allied angles 90 plus theta are derived. Now let us observe what happens when this sector is inverted laterally. Lateral inversion means inversion of a sector like this towards this side or towards this side. This is called lateral inversion. Vertical inversion means like this or like this. Here the sector is laterally inverted. After inverting the sector, what happens? The Q point, the R point enters into the quadrant 1 from Q2. From Q2, R enters into Q1. Since the coordinates of minus y, x are the coordinates of R, when entered into Q1, let R becomes Q and the coordinates remains as it is. But the x coordinate in Q1 is positive. This is positive x. Therefore minus y becomes plus y. Therefore the coordinates are plus y and x. So the coordinates remains as it is, but the sign of the x coordinate changes due to lateral inversion. This is the ray which is at 90 minus theta degrees, because the total angle between x-axis and y-axis is 90, and this is the central angle of the sector. When it so this edge makes an angle 90 minus theta, this angle. So this edge makes an angle 90 minus theta at the center with positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. So let us write the trigonometrical ratios for this 90 minus theta angle. Here sin 90 minus theta equal to, what is the sign definition of sine? Sine definition is y coordinate by radius. Y coordinate means this one. X coordinate is horizontal, y coordinate is vertical. Y coordinate x by r, but x by r is cos theta, therefore this is cos theta. Therefore sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Now cos 90 minus theta equal to, cos definition is x coordinate by r, that is x coordinate here is y, and therefore y by r, that equal to, what is y by r? Sin theta. Therefore cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta means y coordinate by x coordinate. Y coordinate is x and x coordinate is y. But x by y is cot theta. Therefore this is equal to cot theta. cot 90 degrees minus theta equal to y, cot 90 minus theta equal to x coordinate by y coordinate. So x coordinate by y coordinate, x coordinate y by y coordinate x. Y by x is tan theta, therefore this is equal to tan theta. Likewise, sec theta, sec 90 minus theta equal to sec definition is r by x, therefore r by x coordinate is y, but r by y is cosec theta, therefore this is cosec theta. Thus cosec 90 minus theta is r by y coordinate. R by y coordinate means y coordinate is x, therefore r by x, that is equal to, but r by x is sec theta, therefore this is equal to sec theta. Thus sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta, tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta, cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta, sec 90 minus theta cosec theta, cosec 90 minus theta sec theta. Thus these trigonometrical ratios are derived.